Recollect, guys. Let's go. Okay, so this is the Thursday class. So hello, YouTube. Hello, hello. And we accept all the participants now. Okay. So we have so many people here. As I can see, you guys are joining. Okay, we have Kak Evan, Kak Farah, Kak Matthew, Kak Laila, Kak Fura, Kak Rahma. Wow. So welcome guys to the Thursday class. Wow. Hello, hello.
Good
Hello.
evening.
Oh, hello, Kak Vivi and
Yeah,
Kak
yeah.
Nurmadia. Hello. And
Oh,
I think I want to say hi to some of you guys. Okay, and oh, Kak Vivi. Hello, Kak Vivi. You here?
yes, I'm here.
Oh, wow. So how was your day, Kak Vivi?
Hectic day.
Oh my God. So I think, but in the hectic day, in your hectic day, you're still joining this session. Wow.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm apa ya, penasaran about
Okay.
Britzone. It's my first time joining the Britzone class.
Wow. So welcome, Kak Vivi. I hope you can enjoy
Mm-hmm.
this session.
Okay,
And
thank
this,
you, Priyan.
okay, and today's topic is going to be amazing. So please enjoy. And we move to Kak Kak Laila Suroya. You're here, Kak Laila. Hello. Or Kak Dimas Salim. I think this is my first time to see Kak Laila and Kak Dimas. Hello, Kak Laila or Kak Dimas. And we have a return.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Kak Laila.
Hi.
How's life? How was your
Good.
day?
It was kind of busy.
Wow. So both of you like Kak Vivi and Kak Laila have a hectic day and still joining this great session. Wow. Thank you so much. And whoa, we have Kak Jennifer. Hello, Kak Jennifer. Hello. Hello. Okay. So before we jump to the session, I think like Kak Vivi is a first timer, so I think some of you guys a newcomer here. So I really want to give you information about this session, this platform. So I will going to bring the announcement. So Kairlin, would you like to help me to share the screen?
Okay, Kak.
Okay. So enjoy the session. Today's topic will be going to be great, yeah. Okay. While we are waiting, the participants still coming. So make sure that you have a good connection because this class going to be delivered in Zoom. Yeah. So welcome to the largest English community in Indonesia. We are Britzone, and we are concerned in English education, and then we are free and open platform, and we are 100% voluntarism in these things, yeah. And then next, we have a various class for the info. We have Britzone Tuesday class. It's held in on Thursday, both offline and online. Starts at 7 p.m. So make sure you check our IG because the information will be give there. So it's going to be online or offline. And then next, we have Britzone Thursday class. So like now, you are in the Britzone Thursday class, and it's always online. So if you don't have time to join the offline session because we are in Jakarta, so you can join the Thursday class. starts at 7 p.m. And next, we have Britzone Saturday class, which is called Fun Day class. Why? Because on the Saturday class, we have various games. So if you want to enjoy your weekend more positively, right? Like you want to learn English, you want to practice your speaking and find new friends or networking. So join the Fun Day class, the Saturday class. And next we have Britzone outdoor class. So this is I really recommend you guys to join this because once a month on Saturday we will have the Britzone outdoor class. So we can learn English with so many fun activity outside a classroom. For example, we've already did the outdoor class on the museum on the Senayan park or something. And then we have so many social media like IG, Britzone ID. Just follow us, and you can watch this recording or maybe the live streaming on the YouTube, Britzone English Community, and we have TikTok and we have the Discord. So next, talk about Discord. So if you want to uh, uh, more engaged 24 hours, so just join our Discord. So you will have unlimited time without border. You can chat, you can get into the voice room to practice your English, to practice your speaking. So scan to join. So you can see that the QR code on your screen. Scan that and you can join our Discord. Okay. And we have a Britzone merch. So if you want to get this cool tumbler, you can contact the number on your screen. We have Kak Zaki and Kak Rindu, or you can access the website, the link, the merch entry, like on the screen. And then we have pre-order Mi Aceh. So like I said, we have offline class on Tuesday and Saturday. And if you want to enjoy the class with some snacks like Mi Aceh, you can get it on Kedai Rencong. Please order max a day minus one before the day of the class. And then we have Japi, so we are participate or we have application that support the participant to learn English more effectively. You can download Japi and you can register your email with our code. As you can see, you can type the BZ dash 2024. So after that, you can register and you can use the application, and you can contact the person if you want to get more of information about these apps. So you can contact Siska. Yeah. Okay, next. And we are sponsored by Perpustakaan Dikbud. So if you want to get more books or something, just sign up there, and we have so many collection of audio and video collections. Okay. And don't forget we have class traditions. We always taking pictures. So guys, make sure that you have a good camera and good pose. So we will take a picture. You can post it on your social media and tag us, and we will reshare or story that. And we will give the feedback links on the WhatsApp group. So I think that's it for the announcement. So welcome for you guys to the today's class. And yeah, about today's topic, I think you know today's topic on the our idea, and we have a really cool conductor today. So this is Kak Pamela Sarnia. Hello, Kak Pamela.
Hello, Kak Brian.
Hi, wow. I think yeah, today's really great because I saw the poster and the title is UE or UX. Honestly, I really interested about that topic, but I really have no idea about that. So what do you
Okay,
think? Hi.
so maybe we can start
Okay,
if
let's
you're
go.
already curious about UI UX.
Okay, let's go. The screen is yours, Kak Pamela.
Okay, thank you, Kak Brian. So before I start the presentation, I want to introduce myself. So my name is Pamela, but you can call me Pam. I prefer to be called as Pam, not Pam, because I will pump your spirit. I will pump up your spirit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
guys. So our topic for tonight is a glimpse into UI UX design. Okay, it sounds like a Joji song, if you
A
know.
gleam of
It,
us.
yes, of course, you sure you know about the song. So yeah, I'm inspired by the Joji song. So yeah, I will introduce what is UI UX. So in this session, I want you guys to be interactive with me. If I ask something, you can answer my question. So don't be hesitate to open your mic. Don't be shy. Just tell me your opinion or your thoughts, so we can share your thoughts with all of us. So first, I want to know: is there anyone already know about UI UX here, or when you see this title, you are asking, what the heck is UI UX? So, is there anyone already know about UI UX?
No.
Is it a snack, or is it already in the group who asking? Is it Linux thing? So,
You know.
so you guys have no idea about UI UX. Okay, so it is perfect. So let's start. Wait. Okay, this is the first picture. Who is the user? And I will ask, how will user get experience from this toy? So there's a toy. You can see there is an animal stuff or animal doll here, which is hanging on above the uh baby's cradle, and the parents love it. And how about the baby? Is there anything weird, or is there anything odd in this picture? Can you find out what is something weird with this picture? Anyone want to answer? So there's a toy with a baby, and there's the baby's parent. Is there anything weird with this picture? I will give a clue. Who is the user? So it is the main topic. Who is the user? Is it the toys for the parents, or is it
The
for the
baby.
baby?
Baby.
Okay, of course, the baby. What if we positioning our positioning us as the baby?
Well, I would like to choose the toy that I see more attractive.
Okay. So you think that this toy is not that attractive?
Probably I need to test it.
Okay. Is there anything? What if we are a baby who sleep under the toy? What will you see?
Mm,
Is there
The
anyone get the clue?
bottom, the
The
bottom of the
bottom of
doll.
the
Oh,
toy.
yes, right. You will see the bottom of the dolls. So, what's the point? Who is the user? The baby, right? So, he will see the bottom of the doll. and it will be the core memories of the baby. So when we are as a UI UX designer, first we must know who is the user, and how what is the user perspective, so we can understand what is the user experience, the feeling, how will they see about our design. That's the first thing. For the parents, it will be a good toy, but for the baby, it's not a good toy. Next, it is a cute cup of coffee, a cute mug. What do you think? Is there anything weird about this mug too? Maybe anyone can answer?
It is hard to use because it block your mouth.
Yes, because it has ears, right?
Yes.
Yes, true.
And
Yeah,
hurt your eyes.
it's not only blocking your
Oh
mouth,
my God.
it will poke your eyes.
What?
How about that?
So dangerous.
Yeah. So the mug is cute and maybe looks good and fun, a fun mug. But when we use the mug, it will poke your eyes.
Absolutely.
It's a total hazard.
Yeah. So that's the point. How about the experience about the design that we already make? It will be something dangerous? Will it be just good as a design? Looks good, looks beautiful, but not useful. So that's the point. What is the function? Not only beautiful, but what is the function? It must be functional. And the other thing, maybe we can see that some grass can be I'm sorry, like botak, because uh, we are as a user sometimes searching for a shortcut when we do some path, and the grass will be botak. Yeah, I can say Bob, but yeah. So another thing, what do you think when you we are as a user, uh we want to put ketchup to our on top of our food. So from these two bottles, which one do you prefer? The
Right,
left
The
one
right
or
one.
the right
The
one?
Right
right one.
The left,
right.
the
Okay.
left, definitely the
Why?
left.
Okay, it is interesting because there's what who say left, and there's some of you who answer right. I want to hear from the left, who choose the left. I've heard because there's some guy who said left one. Maybe he can give some reason why he chose the left one.
More environmentally safe, friendly.
The left one.
Yeah, I mean, it's glass. It's not a plastic, even though it's
I
not really
see.
practical.
Okay, it is from the material, right? Okay. But how about the experience? Which one will you prefer?
Definitely the right one.
Okay. I think most of us have already experienced how hard to put out the ketchup from the bottle, right? Because it is something not as liquid as water, so it is quite dense. So it is much easier if we choose the right one. So that's a design who begins with our pain point or the problem. Begin with our problem, which we are facing difficulties from the left one, the design in the left one, and we design the better one, which is the right one. And I think this is the last case. There's two uh airlines. First is Lion and the second one is Garuda. So there's two conditions from these two airlines, the left one and the right one. If you are a passenger, which one will you choose? The left one or the right one?
Garuda.
The left
Okay,
one.
okay, the left one from this picture. I mean, not as a brand. From this picture, we will choose the left one, right? Anyone want
Nice.
to explain or elaborate
There
why?
are balloon.
Yeah,
There are balloon.
there are balloons. In which one?
Hmm?
Okay, okay, the left one. Okay, why do you choose the left one instead the right one?
It's less crowded. So yeah.
Okay, true. Okay, what can we get from these two pictures? So we can see the usability, the user interface, the UX, and the interaction. Which one is the usability? Which one is the user interface? And which one is the interaction? Which three of them are the UX components? So the usability is the good service, the spacious cabin. Meanwhile, the UI or the interface is clean aisle. The seats color is appealing. And the last one is the interaction. The seats can be adjusted and they have TV or television. Okay, and UX or the user experience is the big picture, which is which is already have UI or the user interface. So user interface or UI is a part of the UX. So there's a many title that called UX design, which is also designing the app and the website is without put the UI in the title. So the main thing is the user experience. UI is only a small part of UX. So we already see about the airplane before. There's a user interface or the what the look of the website or the application. So and the UX or the user experience is what you feel, what you what you go through into when you use an application or a web. So that's the differentiation of UI and UX. So UI is about the look and UX is about the experience when you use an app or web. And UI UX actually, there's some people who said that the definition of UI UX is not only about application or web, but mostly right now, UI UX is about the website or application. It can be used also for anything like IoT with screen, not only mobile, something like that. And this is the product of UX and UI. You can see this, the differentiation. So the product of the UX is mostly about research about user, and meanwhile the UI is about the visualization of a product. Okay, I think that's all from me. We have like 6 more minutes. I want to ask you guys, who can explain about UI and UX in your own version?
Okay, guys. I don't know. I think
Me.
okay, we have Kadioff.
Oh, okay. From your explanation, I can assume that UI is focused about the visual aspect, how the application looks like, and the UX more like focus on the journey that users experience during when using the applications.
True,
That's
true. Well said, well said. Okay, that's true. So that's the difference of UI and UX. Y- I I feel appreciated because you listen to my explanation and you understand about it. Okay, I think that's all from me. Maybe we can continue to Kak Brian.
Wow, that's really, really insightful presentation, Kak Pamela ya. So the UI is the appearance, and the UX is the architecture, something like that, right? Is it right, Kak Pamela? Oh, you still muted.
Okay, I'm sorry. If you want to illustrate it as architecture, so there's civil engineer.
Yep.
Yeah, there's architect and civil engineer, right? So I think UI is more the architect job,
Okay.
and the UX is the. I'm sorry. Okay, it's both architect job. I'm sorry. The programmer is the civil engineer, and about the architect, both of them are part of the architect job, but UX is more research, I think. And so true. I think UI is more the architect. Sure. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay. So that's explain a lot. And
Okay.
okay, we have the Q&A session right now, and I can see Kadioff raising his hand. So you want to ask something, Kadioff?
yeah. Yeah, hi, Pamela. The topic is quite segmented. Probably not all the audience understand about this. I know the situation because I work in the IT industry. Um, UI and UX. No, I want to ask about. I know the UI and UX focus on the design and the experience, but to make the application works, there is another party under the UI and UX. Let's say I assume that as a developer, and they as a team uh, uh, develop the program using particular programming languages such as HTML, CSS, Python, Ruby, and so on. And they have the responsibility to make the application works, while you guys uh, have responsibility for the design. So I want to ask about the business process after the users send the requirement to you, to your company. Let's say your customer wants to create an application, and after the sales made engagement, who do the first discussion to the customer, whether your team as a designer or developer, to translate the customer requirement into the applications? Can you please explain more about the business process?
Okay. So should I answer the question first, or we collect all the questions?
Yes, please. You can
Okay. Okay, I
clarify.
will straight to you. So thank you, Dio, for your question. I think you are already experienced in this field, in IT field. So the business process can be different for each company. For example, I have experience in a company which not involving their UI UX designer when we are collecting the business requirement. So who will go to the client and collecting or gather the business requirement? It will be the sales and the system analyst job. So it's different. But in my current company, me as a UI UX designer, involving in business the business gathering requirement. So it's different for each company. After we get the business requirement or the client needs, next we will move to the user research. That's the ideal way. After we get the needs, the pain point, the problem, we make a user research based on the we get from the client. After that, we go to the low fidelity process, and then we go to the high fidelity, and after that we go testing or usability testing. That's the process or the design thinking process. So the user research is there's we call it define idea. I'm sorry, I forget. There's 5 steps. So there's and the last one is prototype and test. The first three is the UX process. The define an idea. I'm sorry, empathize, define an idea. I remember now. Empathize, define an idea is UX. It is called gathering the pain point, finding the solution, define the problem, and finding the solution. That's the part. We call it design thinking. And that's right. After we go to prototype and usability testing, it will be delivered to the programmer. So we as the UI designer, ideally will translate what is the client needs into a design, and we also translate it to the developer that the design it can be built. So we must communicate with the programmer that to make sure that the design can be built, not only good as a design, but it also have functionality. I think that's the business process.
Yes, it's quite complicated because it involves many parties, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
true.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay. Is it answering your question ya, Kak Diof?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you, Kak Diof, for the question. And wow, we still have people to deliver the question. I think maybe for Kak Koko, you want to ask something?
Yes, Kak Brian, thank
Okay.
you. Okay, hello Kak Pamela. So first, I would like to say thank you because before today, before listening to you, I think I saw a lot of like people saying that they are UI or UX designer and they do a lot of YouTube. They are YouTuber. But I really don't know what they do. But I just noticed that they always have this aesthetic, like how they edit their video, like their interface, like how how the story of the video. So it's like something like we can enjoy just watching their content. But now after listening to your explanation, then I understand. Uh, just one questions before we always hear the people say web designer, but now I don't hear that much often anymore. But people say UI or UX designer. Is it the same jobs or it's already being uh um exchange with this new job description? I don't know, or name. I don't know because I never heard web designer anymore, but more like UI or UX designer. Is it like the same thing? Thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you, Kak Koko. I think in before UI UX term is popular, there's the term web developer or web designer. So as far as I know, web the web designer also do the coding job or the programming job. So not only deciding, but he is also responsible with the code behind the design. So web designer is responsible from the start until the web go live, as far as I know. So that's the differentiation between the UI UX designer and the web designer. So me as a UI UX designer, I never touch the coding. So the coding is totally the developer responsibility. That's the difference. I hope that's answer your question. Thank you.
Thank you, Kak Pamela. Thank you,
You're
Kak
welcome.
Brian.
Okay, and we have Kak Laila. Hello, Kak Laila.
Hello.
Okay, so you can deliver your question now.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Pamela. Thank you for your presentation. I would like to ask you some questions. The first one is, how do you stay updated with the latest UI UX design trends? I'm just like curious about that. And the second question is, how do you balance user needs and business goals in your designs? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Laila. How how do I will update my design with the design trends? So I follow people in LinkedIn, and I follow mostly are like influencer in UI UX. So I follow them, so I know about the trend from them. And sometimes they also have ebook, like publish ebook, which title is like the design trend in 2024, something like that. So that's how I update the trend every day. I check my LinkedIn. So, and then the second one, I'm sorry, wait. Can you repeat the second one? Oh, the business need and the user need, yeah.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So who is the real user? Who do you think? Who is the real user? The the one who will use the app, or the user, the public, or the business owner? So ideally, as an idealist, we should think about the who is the one who will use our product instead of the business owner. That's the ideal thing. But we also need to think about the business revenue, right? The profit behind the our app. How to balance it? So, for example, like ads. How to make ads that not like scamming, or like uh, pushing the user to use our product. So there's some ethic like in using ads. For example, you must know how to close the ads. You must know how to out from the ads. That's the some ethic. So I think we should follow the ethic and also think about the user first instead of the business owner. That's some case, for example, that the advertisement may be like in the game, or you can see in many apps there's advertisements like that's. I think that's the sample of your question. Is that answering?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, my pleasure.
Okay. Oh, we still have people wants to give the question, Kak Pamela. I think this is really, really interesting topic, right? Okay. So, Kak Jasmine.
Okay, hi Kak Pam. It's nice to know you. But before that, sorry, my camera cannot open because I have some technical issues in my laptop. So I want to ask you about, for now, I work in tech industries too, but I'm not UI UX designer. But mostly I am collaborate with UI UX team. So I just want to know, what is the biggest challenge of these roles as you are an UI UX designer? Because sometimes in my team or in my UI UX team, sometimes they took a long time to finish the projects. So and my team have a specific timeline. We have a deadline and so on. So I just want to know, what is the biggest challenge of these roles to finish these projects? So that is my question. Thank you, Kak Pam.
Okay, so before you say that the UI UX takes a long time to finish their task,
Yes.
so I want to answer my biggest challenge is time.
Okay.
So I think I'm different with your UI UX designer because I often challenge to finish my task in 1 day or maybe 3 days. So I think it's different.
Oh,
But
I see.
that's the challenge because in my case, maybe some people think it is something easy to do, something that not as hard as coding or programming. So they think that it only needs short time to finish it. But if you want to be idealist, who will do from the research until the usability testing, it will take time. But if you just want the design for the developer, I think 1 day is enough. So it depends with your needs and the UX maturity in your company. If your company think that it only needed for just for the coding part, it will. I think your friend should be fast to or quick to finish it. But if we do the user research, it takes time. For example, like in bootcamp, the UX part is like 80% of the time in bootcamp, and the 20% of the bootcamp is for the UI design. That's the example of the timeline, maybe for the design thinking process. So I think the challenge is because the time, because some people think it is easy to do and can be finished quickly. So it's all about perspective, I think.
Oh, I see. Okay. So it depends on the scope of the projects, right?
Yes, and also about the companies. If your company think it's only as a translation between the needs into programming without need any user research, it will be fast actually.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you, Kak Pam. It's
Okay, you're welcome.
okay.
Okay, thank you, Kak Jasmine, for the question. And so, you guys, another question from you. And oh, I have two questions for you, Kak Pamela. Is it okay? We still have time, right?
Yeah, it's fine for me.
Okay, so like the terms, the UE UX, I sometimes I hear the front end and the back end. So
Okay.
is it related with your job? And I
Mm,
really don't know about the front and the back end. Maybe you can
okay.
elaborate more. And one more. Um, is it possible to learn your specialty in UA UX with the short course or the boot camp? Because we have so many boot camp, IT boot camp,
Mm,
that guarantee. I don't know. I cannot say that they can guarantee the participant, but they can teach the participant uh, in, I don't know, the 3 months, and they can do so many IT things. I don't know, like make a front end or back end or UEX or something like that. So what do you think about that?
okay. First, for the front end and back end, I think Xiaomi can explain more about this actually. Okay. Uh, UI UX design is different with front end and back end. So actually front end and back end is about programming or coding, and front end is about slicing or how can I say, how to make the UI UX design into a real thing. That's the job of the front end. How to make the visual into the real thing. So we just like, for example, I design or sketching, and front end is doing the it's hard how to explain it. Okay, he like doing the building, but actually the structure is the back end. Back end is like the structure. So the maybe like the interior design to make it happen is the front end. That's how maybe how to explain it. So the front end is make the design into a real thing, and the back end is the functionality, the structure. That's the difference between front end and back end. So to make it more confusing, there's another term. There is full stack developer. So full stack developer is both the front end, the back end. So yeah, they are the Superman who can do both, the full stack developer. And the last one, I'm sorry, wait, I remember. I try to remember.
Is it possible to
Oh yeah,
learn your
absolutely possible.
specialty in a short time on a boot camp, something like that?
Absolutely possible, but maybe not for you must try more than one bootcamp. So I originally from architecture. I have no IT background. I have no uh, visual design background or graphic design background, but I can do it. I took like 5 or 4 boot camps, and it took almost a year before I get full-time job, and less than a year for my first internship. And for all of that, I always say this. I only check like 900,000 rupiah, so it's not expensive for me. I mean, there's a lot of bootcamp with millions rupiah, right? But I even not didn't reach the 1 million rupiah. So it is very possible if you want to switch career, but you must dedicate it yourself to make portfolios and join maybe a lot of boot camps, because I finished like 4 or 5 boot camps in 1 year, and I make portfolios like 20 or 30 portfolios, almost 30 portfolios I think in 1 year too. So I push myself to be in the same level with the junior, a real junior UI UX designer. Yeah.
Okay, wow. That's really, really. I hope we can get so many things on this session. Yeah, that's your presentation is really insightful and fruitful. So I hope you guys can get a positive or maybe positive anything positive points on this session. So thank you so much, guys, for the question and Kapamela. And we can jump to the next session. I think we can take the pictures, right? So are you ready for that, Ka Erlin?
Yeah, Kak. I will help.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Please open your camera so we can see your pretty face. Give the best pose in 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, wait, just wait, just wait. Okay, one more in 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Kailin, for the pictures. And yep, this is the time. So we have the FGD sessions, and I hope you guys can enjoy the FGD session. We have cool facials to accompany you in the room, and we have a great topics. So I hope you can practice your English. You can learn English with our facials and make a new friends, and make sure that you really engage on the discussion. So, are you ready, Kairlin, to move uh, uh, us to the FGD room?
Okay. Guys, I will take you all to the rooms. See you.
Okay, enjoy the breakout session, guys. We meet again on the main room on the 25 minutes, I guess.
Yep.
Okay. So I think on the main room, Kak Pamela, if you want to take a break, it's okay. But if you want to join the discussions, you are allowed. So uh, it's okay. So the facil will be the Karirin, right?
Okay. Karirin, the time is yours.
Okay, Karirin, the screen is yours.
All right. Hello, everyone. Oh, is possible pass Kak Dina and Kak Coco in here too? Halo, am I audible?
Ya, Kak Koko, Kak Dina. Okay. Maybe Kak Dina.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. So, hello, everyone. Kak, in our main room, we have Kak Theo, Kak Fatma, and Kak Ivy. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, and Kak Dio. All right. So, hi. Hello, Kak Dio.
Yeah,
I'm so
hi,
thrilled to.
hi.
Yeah, I'm so
I
thrilled.
thought, yeah, please.
Okay, I'm so thrilled to have this discussion with you guys. So, and yeah, and here we have Cardio too. Hello, everyone. So, I think in this main room, we will discuss an insightful topic today that is about UI and UX. Actually, I'm not familiar with that, but I think it would be nice if we discuss about this topic together, right? So we will get new insight, and maybe one day we will have like kind of experience to become like maybe web developer or kind of this ability to run sound design maybe, right? So without further ado, we discuss about this topic. I'm gonna start with Kadio, of course. Hi, Kadio.
Hi, good evening, Kak.
Hey.
Kak Ririn, ya.
How-
Okay, Kak Ririn.
Yes. How was your day, Kadio?
My day absolutely fine. I am very grateful that I can enjoy this session to improve
Alright,
my English.
that's fantastic. I already saw that you have like asked some question to Kak Pamela, and that's a good question. I think you have familiar with this kind of topic. So actually, I also like how to say, like, I wonder what comes up to your mind when you hear about this topic, like UI and UX, in your opinion, Kadio?
I think the technology has changed so much, and back then over a decade the technology or the IT industry, or only talking about networking, computer, and programming, no database, and then programming. But now has changed completely and become very wide into another segment like UI UX for stack developers and cyber security, probably you guys know, and cloud, the new technology also, and I think it and the last one is AI, probably you should be aware of. It changed the way we act, or we undergo our lives. We deal business, we study, we create something, we learn something through these technologies. So I think it has many positive impacts, but also probably some negative aspect that we should be aware of. Yeah,
All right.
that's
So yeah, I agree with that, because sometimes in this era, if we're not like aware about the technology that we use, sometimes it will impact negative to our life. That's
yeah.
fantastic, Kak. Thank you so much for your answer, Kak.
You're
And next
welcome.
we will move to Kak Teo. Hi, Kak Teo. Hi, Kak Teo. Are you in here? I think maybe he has another activity. Let's we move to Kak Evika. Hi, Kak Evika.
Hello, Kak Ririn.
Hi.
Sorry,
How is
I cannot turn my camera, Kak. Sorry.
that's fine, Kak.
Okay.
How was your day, Kak Evika?
Same old, same old. How about you?
Yeah, not really special actually today, but yeah, trying to live my life better than before.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for asking, Kak Evika. I'm
Yeah.
gonna ask you for first questions. Have you? I don't know. You have similar with this topic or not? But I'm gonna ask you what comes up to your mind when you hear about this topic, UI and UX.
Yeah. I actually have no background or competency in UI UX, but I do know that what UI and UX is in general, because I think it's applicable to us whenever we use online shopping applications. And yeah, I heard people talking about UI UX, especially in applications, and how they make it easier for us customers to use their application. But the technicality of it, I have no idea about it. Yeah.
I see. So, in your opinion, that it's all about like shopping. What did you say before? Sorry.
Yeah, online shopping applications like Shopee and Tokopedia.
Oh yeah. So you are similar with the applications.
Yeah, I'm familiar with applications, shopping applications.
Okay. What application do you always use in daily business?
I think we all have applications for everything in our lives now. I don't know if it's such a good thing or a bad thing, but for me personally, I use WhatsApp for communications, and emails, Gmail for emails, and Gojek, Grab for transportation and food, and TikTok for social media, and yeah, Shopee, Tokopedia, Traveloka. Yeah, pretty much all of it.
Yeah. That's yeah, great. Because in this era, a lot of like applications that have like created like yeah, for online shopping, like it makes us like easier to buy something, maybe like from Shopee, Tokopedia, or something else. That's good answer, Kak Evika. Thank you so much. Let's we move to Kak Teo. Hi, Kak Teo. Are you still in here? Kak Teo? That's so sad. but it's okay. Let's we move to the second questions let's we back to Kak Diop. Kak Diop, I'm gonna ask you the second question for you.
Yeah, please.
I also like curious that what kind of technological skills that you proficient in?
My current status right now, you mean?
Yeah, any kind of like technological skill that you maybe like proficient, or maybe you have like.
Actually, I am a network engineer, so another part of IT information technology segment. So basically, I am responsible to connect the users to another part, such as let's say someone wants to connect to the server where we can install the applications, and the user using the smartphone or computer. So in the middle of it, there are another devices that work behind the scene, such as router, switches, firewall, and server and database. Then I'm responsible for connecting people to another part. Let's say someone wants to connect to the internet, the server where the application install wants to take the data from their database server. That's my responsibility as a network engineer.
Wow, wow, wow. It's like you have kind of like an ability to, like, how to say, like, if there's like any kind of client and then they need some help like about like UI or UX, maybe that we talk about that, probably you could help them, like, because you have like similar with that. You have like, yeah, you have memorized about this kind of topic. That's fantastic.
Yes, simple, but we can say like that. But
Wow, wow.
actually, in my task right now is more complicated, because not only from the users to a server or something, but right now my task is involving the network in the company or the operator, such as a telecommunication operator, which has a million users. So I manage also thousands of devices to help the users connect to any part of the application, any users or any telecommunication service that the operator deliver to the users.
I see, I see. So, you have like before you mentioned what kind of job you doing right now? Like,
Network engineer.
okay, network engineer. Also, network engineer. Have you ever like find to? I mean, what is the biggest challenge that you have faced when you meet like the client, when for example like the client needs your help and then it's really complicated? What kind of that?
The biggest challenge is the technology evolved too fast. So I need to keep up my knowledge to be able to respond to what customer wants, because customer came up with a new idea. They want a new technology. Right now they are using they were using a 2G, 3G, 5G, and now 5G. So I need to keep up with those technologies. So it requires me to take some training almost several times a year, to update also my certification, and to learn many things in those areas.
Wow. So you need to keep update on that. So
Yes.
yeah. Wow, wow, wow. That's fantastic, Kak. Thank you so much for your good answer, Kak. It's really insightful. So let's move to Kak Evika. Hi, Kak Evika. what kind of technological skills that you are proficient in? Yeah, you have
Technological
memorized.
skill that I have right now.
Yeah, maybe your what kind of technological skills that are you proficient?
Oh. Well, I don't work in tech, but I can use like general work applications like Microsoft Office and well, Excel mostly because I'm an auditor, and Microsoft Word for make a report. Yeah, well, it's nothing interesting because I don't work in tech, so my technological skill is like adequate. Yeah, but since I don't use IT skills in work, like you just need to know how to use Microsoft in general, and that's fine, Yeah, I think, yeah, I don't know how to answer because yeah, I don't have any like expert technological skill.
Oh, okay. So actually I also just learned about this actually.
Yeah.
So I'm
It's
familiar with
okay.
that, but I'm trying to
Yeah.
learn actually.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, so it's interesting, Kak. If you even you are not similar with that, but you like eager to join in this discussion. So actually, what is your expectation to join in this topic actually?
I always
Would
join
it be
Britzone online. Oh, sorry. What? You're lagging. Hello?
sorry? Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
Go
my
ahead, Kak.
expectations? Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
always join Britzone's online meetings because even when they have heavy topics like this, they usually have lighter questions in the breakout rooms. So I didn't actually expect to be asked about technical stuff. But it's okay, We can still talk about it in general. My expectation is that um to improve my English, yeah, in general.
Mm.
Yeah.
And you have kind of like interested to learn maybe one day to become like web designer or yeah, kind of this maybe.
Yeah. An interesting fact. I once got a gift certificate to choose any online course that I want from a certain website,
Mm.
and I choose Python because at that time I felt like everyone was doing data analytics. It was the hot stuff, around. Everyone is doing data analytics. I did sign up for that Python class, but I only finished the first course until this day. It's been like 6 months and I haven't continued it. I was like, yeah, this is not for me. But you know,
What is your background actually?
I'm a management graduate, but yeah, it was a free gift certificate. I was browsing through the courses and I was like, I have no interest in any of this. But since everyone was talking about data analytics, programming, blah blah, I was like, okay, why not? Let's just try this. And I was like, yeah, this is not for me. It's still
Yeah.
open. I still can access the course. Maybe someday if I have the will, hopefully.
I
Yeah.
see, I see. Wow, that's interesting, Kak. I
Yeah.
think you just mentioned that you are management.
Yeah, management graduate.
Oh, management graduate. I think it's the same with me, Kak. I also like management, but not
Yeah.
graduate yet actually.
Oh,
Okay, let's okay,
okay.
let's we move to the last questions, I think. And yeah, I think this is a really interesting question for Kadiyov. Kadiyov,
Yeah.
um, uh, you have like similar realizations or you have memorized about this topic, right? UI or and UX, right? And I know that you have like how to say like you are an expert for this. Maybe I could say that you are an expert because you could answer my questions perfectly. So I want to know that what technological skills that would you like to have in the future? Maybe you interested in another skill, maybe?
Actually, it's kind. I start to feel a bit boring in this field because
Why?
only
It's cool, you know.
yeah, it's been my daily task every day for several years, and learning the technology, keeping update with the technology makes me bored actually, and I would like to find another escape plan by learning languages actually, so I can start to improve my soft skill. I consider having IT skill is the hard skill, and
Mhm.
soft skill needs to be improved also, because we need to make both in balance, so we can move or create advance to the next level of our career.
That's cool. So talking about like soft skill, do you think that what kind of soft skills that you have on yourself in yourself, I mean, right now, that you think you really capable of?
I think the ability to speak English quite much better than most of the people is something that I would like to acquire, and presentation is also, and communication skills between partners, between customer and the vendors, between from me to the next to the higher level, I mean to the board or director level, and needs to be learn something about that,
I
because
see.
you
So
need to have to learn something. You need to learn how to behave in properly, and I need to learn about the rules, the formal rules. That's something that I would like to acquire in the next or in the future.
I see. So you think that the soft skill that you have like good enough, it's like communication skills, because I think probably I agree with you, because when you told me that any customer or any client that helps your maybe your, how to say, like they need some help, and then you could definitely help them, it's mean like you have communication skills, right, that to meet the client, to become your maybe your loyal client. I think that's fantastic. Thank you so much for your sharing. Hi,
Pleasure.
Vika. Hi, Vika.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, so for the last questions, I think for you, what technological skills that would you like to have in the future, Kak?
What technological skill I want to have?
Mm-mm.
Well, I want to have a technological skill in data analytics. I do, but I'm not sure if I want to learn it. Like
Why?
it's a, I'm not sure I want to learn it. So, well, if the question is if what's one technological skill that I want to have, well, I want to have technological skill in data analytics, but I'm not sure if I want to learn about it.
Okay, so so you have kind of skills that you interested right now, and then you want to improve.
Yeah.
Maybe like learning, like Kak Dio say, like wanna improve like your language, something like that.
Yeah. Well, for English, I want to advance my English even more. Preferably to get like a more than good, to get better than good score in IELTS. But other skills I think related to my job, like I want to learn about business valuation and just and actuaries.
I see.
Well, yeah, it's mostly accountancy, not accountancy, economics and accountancy, and I want to learn about that.
Okay, so yeah, that's really fantastic. I mean the any kind of how to say, like maybe you want to learn like data analytic, but you are still like not sure you whether you want to learn about it or not. But I think you have another interest on skills, right? Like like how to say, like maybe you wanna learn new skill, like new language, maybe. Is that
Sorry?
how to say, like before you ask I asked you that what technological skill that would you like to have in the future, and then you told me that you want to learn data analytics, but you're still not sure what you want to learn about it or not, right?
Yeah, well, because it's hard and I don't use it in my job, you know, and I unfortunately I have no plan to switch career into tech. So yeah, I think not in the near future for me to learn to dive into data analytics.
I see. And then actually I still curious that talking like about like IELTS, like do you think that oh, I think our time is
It's okay. No, no. It's still we still have time.
okay. I think I will be back to you, Kak Evika. I think, but later before I give to the last questions, I wanna inform to you guys that maybe I will choose for the representative. So just be ready, guys.
Okay, thank you, Kak Ririn, Kak Diof.
And yeah, thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
Kak Evika and Kak Dio.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, not yet.
I don't know. Oh yeah, our time is finished, guys. All right, thank you so much, Kak Dio and Kak Evika.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Hey, so back to the main room, guys. Still more what?
We need more time.
Oh no!
We only
need more
discussed
time.
about 2 questions, Kak Brian.
Oh, okay. So, okay, we still okay, 32 people. So I think you guys have a nice discussion there, and this is we move to the representative sessions. And I don't know, I think there's so many groups, like 9 groups. Okay, so I think I can choose the facils to choose the representative. So we can start from Pura. I think you're here, Pura.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your opportunity. So in our room, there were Kak Normadia and Kak Usna as our newcomer. So I would like to choose Kak Usna as our representative. So good luck, Kak Usna, please. Hello, Kak Usna, are you still there?
Hi everyone.
Hello. Okay, I think this is your time to deliver the discussions, Kak Usna.
Maybe later I still shy.
Oh, okay. Maybe Kak
Sorry.
Fuad.
Okay, maybe move to Kak Normadia or I'm sorry, Kak.
Okay, Kak Nurmadia, would you like to give us the what you've been discussed on the group?
Let me try. Oh, okay. Good evening, everyone. I would like to share my I thought from Fura's Fasil team. There are Husna, Fasil Fura, and also Nurma Devata. So what we learned about UI UX is the the is the basic idea in the technological aspect to how to give user the users of technology uh, more awesome experience in appearance, and also how to make uh, the application or website more functional, and also what with technological skill aspect that would we have in the future uh, from, from Husna and me. I hope have hope that we can have ability in content creation, digital content creation, and also how to maximize our own internet home uh, to be explore virtual assistant to increase our administrator activity at the office. I think that's all from me. Thank you for the opportunity again, Kak Brian.
Okay, wow, that's really interesting discussion ya on your group, Kak Nurmadia and Kak Fura. Thank you for the representative. So we can move to Kak Koni, maybe. Kak Koni, how was the discussions on your group?
Okay, thank you so much, Brian. Actually, it was really good because I have to wonder people. And I will choose Karin for our representative. Karin, are you there? Is Karin here? Oh, I think Karin is not here. Now we'll choose Kapurwa. Hi, Kapurwa.
Hi, Kak Kodi. Okay. Maybe
Kapurwa,
it's
can you
enough.
tell us how was the FGD session?
Okay. It's enough here to add information because UI UX has positive impact, and I think it's very important to company for deliver information to the public and how to the website become looks user friendly, such as how to choose the color, shapes, fonts, and tools. Yeah, maybe that's it, Takoni. And maybe next time I will learn more for these parts, especially UI UX, because I think in the future will be a lot of things related to digitalization. That's it, Kakoni. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kak Purwan, Ningsi, and yup. So after this session, you have to register so many bootcamp. But because today's topic is really really engaging, I do agree that maybe we will face the era that needs so many technological skills. Yeah. And yep, thank you, Kak Connie, for the discussion for the representative. And we still have time, so we can move to mm, Kak Silmi, maybe from your group.
Yeah, hello, Kak Brian. All right, in my group, we have Kak Aulia and Kak Vivi. For the representative, I would like Kak Vivi. Are you still here, Kak Vivi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Please tell our discussion. Go ahead, Kak Vivi.
Okay. Um, discussing about UI, UX tonight is very insightful for me. Since I work in a government office, they have no good UI or UX for us, not like the commercial one. So I think maybe even the government website or application also need this UI or UX designer. So Kapam, you can go for any government application, maybe something like that. Is it enough?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Kak Vivi.
Thank you, Silmi.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Vivi and Kak Silmi. And well, you are not mistake, Kak Vivi, because yeah, so many governmental website are too. Oh my God, and and yeah, but it's okay. I think we can learn from this session, like the UA, the UX is really important, yeah, for the I don't know, user experience for the users. And I think we come to the end of the session, and we can hear closing statement from Pamela. So, Pamela, would you like to give the closing statement?
Okay. First, I want to say thank you for all of you guys who already engaged with my session and also active during the session. I hope everyone who wants to be UI UX designer will be UI UX designer soon. And if you are maybe want to ask more about UI UX design and about the career, maybe you can reach me in the LinkedIn. I will give the link in the chat. Also, it's always possible to be a UI UX designer if you really really dedicated to it. So don't give up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Pamela. That's really insightful. So, thank you so much, Britzoners, that you've joined this session, and I hope we can meet again on the next session. And don't forget to check the updates on our IGs, and you can post and tag us on your social media so we can reshare and restory. So that's it for today's. Thank you so much, and bye bye YouTube. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye,
So,
Bye,
everyone.
guys.
Thank you,
bye.
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone. Yeah, I really
Bye. See you
appreciate it.
next class.